going on, you guys? Guess who it is? It's your boy D-Flex. I'm back here again in the Waterfalls. It's been a long time, y'all, but hey, I'm happy to be back. Just want to let you know that I'm gonna finally be doing the waterfall videos again, and this time, new topics, new things to talk about, and more importantly, new motivation and new inspiring words. That's what I want to let you know. And most importantly, I'm happy to be back doing this. So with that being said, stay tuned for the next episode of DJ Talk. Peace out and have a great day, everybody.